Welcome to the dataNinja YouTube channel. I am your host Brandon Hart, and today we're going to talk about finance. So back in the day, if you wanted to programmatically pull down stock price information, Google Finance had a great API that you can use. Then they stopped supporting it. Then Yahoo Finance also had a good API that you could bring down stock prices, and then they stopped supporting that as well. So I was up on Upwork, and there's a lot of customers and a lot of people had interest in pulling down stock quotes. And I did a little research and I found out about iexfinance.com. Now they both seem to have a paid API subscription, but they also have the free one where free is the operative word. So iexfinance.com, props out to them. And then also props out to Addison Lynch, who took that API and created a Python module that allows us to interface with that API easily in Python. And so I wrote a quick notebook here in Jupyter Notebook where we select a stock ticker, get the current price, then we give a date range, and we'll pull back the historical stock prices, and we plot that, and then we save the historical stock prices to Excel. So I'll run that through right now. So we'll let this run. My computer's a little slow, so bear with me. But what we'll do first is start up with a stock ticker. What's a good one? I've been going with Facebook. I've been going. Let's try Amazon. Amazon, another FANG stock here, because the FANG has the bang. All right. Amazon, I believe, is looks like amazing. There we go. I think that's it here. Okay, and then we see the current stock. Good Lord, the current stock price is $1,843. That's pretty up there. Let's see how this stock has performed. Let's look at the historicals. So 2019. Let's check it from March 1st, and then let's run it through yesterday. All right. Okay, and so what this did was it used the get historical data, and we saved it to a Python pandas data frame here. Close, high, low, open volume is available. We're only showing the first 5 rows here, but the data frame has all 30-something rows in memory right now, and we can access that when we want. And then we're going ahead and plotting. We're plotting that data here, historical stock prices for Amazon. Wow, that is a beautiful chart. And I'm not saying from the aesthetics, I'm talking about the slope. That looks good. I'm not sure if it can get better than that. And then the last line, we saved it. And this is saving it to right here. The file format, historical stock prices, underscore, the ticker symbol, underscore, from, underscore, your start date, and then underscore to underscore your end date. Let's see what it looks like. Well, there it is. Thought you knew. So that's great. So you could take this code and modify it, and there's a lot of cool things that's coming to mind that I may like to do with this. Is actually modify it, pull down multiple stock prices and do some comparisons. Feel free to do so. My all this code, of course, is on my GitHub, github.com blhart216 finance FiPi. I may rename that to FiPi. I like the sound of that. Go ahead, if you found this informative, please like my YouTube video. You can leave a comment as well, and then please go ahead, if you pull down the code and you use this blhart216, go ahead, throw me a star over there, show me that you're a fan. I'd really appreciate it. But thanks a lot for watching my video.